Good morning, students. The invention of Vita Wong. This is a comic story written by Roald Dahl. This is an account of invention of a medicine. Mr. Willy Wonka is a scientist. Earlier, he has invented Wonka White, which makes people younger. But Wonka White is too strong, so some people disappeared because their age became minus. So, to counter effect this medicine, he has to invent another medicine which can make the people older. And the scientist has decided to do the same. What he did to invent such a medicine? He went throughout the world in search of older things. He has to create age to make the people old. Not only old, but old, older, oldest. So, he went throughout the world in search of such things which are very old. Just have a look on those ingredients. A pint of sap from a 4,000-year-old bristlecone pine. The toenail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich Grigorovich. An egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. The tail of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. The whiskers of a 36-year-old cat called crumpets. An old flea which had lived on crumpets for 36 years. The tail of a 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet. The black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin living in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl. The knuckle bones of a 700-year-old catalu from Peru. See the ingredients, how peculiar the ingredients are. Now, this scientist, he collected all these medicines and boiled them in a vase. And what was the effect? A substance was created with black oily texture, and this was our medicine Vita Wong. Now to test this medicine, he has a brave 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteer. This volunteer swallowed the medicine and see the effect. He began wrinkling and shriveling up. His hair started dropping off and his teeth started falling out. And he became an old fellow of 75. At last, the medicine is invented which can make the people older.